today I will discuss about how we can call an integration procedure using an autotask and what is the autotask in orchestration system of the Vlocity. So if we talk about autotask, so autotask is one of the tasks in the orchestration plan, which can basically invoke an Apex class integration procedure or the data raptor. So how we can basically invoke an integration procedure from the autotask type of orchestration item in Vlocity, I will discuss in this video. So to show you the demonstration, so what are the steps that you have to follow if you wanted to call an integration procedure. So what you have to do, you have to basically use this item implementation, which is XOM task auto task integration procedure, and in the auto task parameter you have to pass a name like type and subtype of integration procedure. So from where we just got this item implementation, so you have to refer this document. Okay, I will paste the link of this page on the comments section of this video. So you can see it's mentioned that if you wanted to call an integration procedure, you have to implement item implementation, you have to give this task invoice integration procedure, and in the auto task parameter you have to give the name of the integration procedure in form of type and subtype. In the same way, what I have done, I have just created one orchestration plan, E2E master plan, where start order and complete order is a milestone, and update account is auto task type of orchestration item definition. So that you can see the record type is auto task. Okay, and here in the item implementation, we have just created and giving the same implementation which is mentioned here in this link, right? To call the integration procedure. So we have given the reference, and if I go back, and here I have given the reference of this integration procedure. So type of the integration procedure is IP auto underscore task. Okay, so if I go back to my integration procedure, so this is my integration procedure, right? So I've given the name auto underscore task. So IP auto is the type of this integration procedure and task is a subtype. So as I told you, so your auto task is basically to execute the implementation, and using that implementation we can basically call IP data raptor or the Apex class by using the auto task. So as soon as you will create the order and your fulfillment request initiated, and once it will move to this item definition, that means task, so it will basically execute this implementation, and using this execution it will call an IP. So this is the IP where we have basically calling a data raptor post action, and this post action basically this post action is doing nothing, is just basically updating the account. So whatever the account you are using to create the order, it's just updating that particular account. So you can see here it is an account ID and velocity CMT SLA. So we are updating the SLA to gold. So whatever the SLA it's mentioned in the account, if you are getting an order, we are just updating that status from old status to gold. And account ID, so, so how we can get this account ID? So it's mentioned in this document. Okay, if you wanted to get the parameter, so you can basically get the parameter from here. So you can just directly giving the reference of the parameter. So if you want to get the order ID, you have to just directly using this order ID node. You wanted to use the account ID, you can directly use the account ID. So this JSON will be directly passed out of the box to your integration procedure. So this is how we have just given the directly reference to the account ID because mentioned in the document. Okay, so now I will test this. Okay, so how we can do the testing? So first of all, I'm going to use this account. So in this account SLA is silver. Okay, so using this account I will create an order. So after completion of the order I will see the SLA status again. Okay, so now what I have to do, I have to go to orders, then I hit button new, test auto task, and you have to give the same account reference, right? This is the account where the SLA is silver, and the date today, price, you can give the list price. And one more thing, if I go to the orchestration, right? So this orchestration will only invoke, where is it? Just a second, let me open the orchestration again. So this will only invoke when this scenario get met. So in this scenario, we have given the condition that if any if the customer is adding this order, sorry, if the customer is adding this product DSL service, an action is added, then only this orchestration will get invoked. So this is the condition. So as soon as we are adding the DSL service product, then this orchestration will get invoked. So we have to just create a order. So for that, I will just go back and create an order. I will just start from the bottom. Test auto task, same white carol, B2C, price list, date today, save, and then we have to configure the order. And then now in configuration of the order, we have to add this product DSL service. So here I just added this DSL service, and now I have to configure this because I'm getting this red flag. So I'm just choosing this mandatory downloading speed. So this red flag should be removed because we are giving the value in the necessary field. Yeah, so you can see the flag has been removed. Now click the decompose order. So as of now, I have not configured any decomposition over here. So I will just directly hit the orchestration plan. So I'm just clicking this orchestration plan. So now in this orchestration plan, there should be three orchestration tasks, right? Yeah, there's two orchestration tasks: start, update account, and complete order. Same like this. You can see this orchestration plan has been booked because we have added the product DSL service. Okay, so, and this orchestration have three tasks: start order, complete order, and update account. So all of three are there in the orchestration plan view. Okay, and if we right click and view the record, you can see. So this update account has been invoked, and this was the implementation that we have done. Like we have invoked the integration procedure. So in our integration procedure, we have basically updating the account SLA, right? So now we have to go to that account using that we have created the order, right? So I have to go to order. This is the account using which I have created the order, and now you can see the status of the SLA should be gold. So you can see. So previously, before creating the order, the SLA was silver, but after creating an order, after the completion of that auto task, we have invoked the integration procedure. At that integration procedure, we have added a data wrapper post action, and that data wrapper post action is taking the account ID and updating the status to old to gold. So this is it for this video. If you wanted to learn something more, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.